it right. Can we go back to the good times? Maybe if we try, make it right. We can get back to the good times.
You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a wig review and installment in one video. So if you guys want to see this video, make sure you guys go ahead, stay tuned. Before we get started, make sure you guys go ahead, like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. So I'm going to just do it how I normally do it. I'm going to go through the reviews of the hair, go through the Amazon so you guys can see it, pricing, describe the hair and everything. Then I do the unboxing, then I do the install. Yeah, I'm going to put the timing in the description box, and I'll also put it in the comment section so you guys can know exactly. So if you reach out to me and ask me if I could do a review for them, and this is going to be a body wave lace front wig. This is 150 density 4x4 lace like closure, and this is in 22 inches. The price was, so 22 inches natural color. The price is $98, so it is under $100. So if you guys want to go get that wig, you guys can go ahead and get it. You know, I always leave the link in the description box for you guys, so you guys won't have any trouble finding the hair. Okay guys, so let's get into what you guys have been waiting for, what you guys are here for, to see the hair. So this is Amazon package. I haven't opened it anything yet because I wanted to give first impression of the hair. You guys can see. So nothing good in this. Open it. This is how it's looking. So let's see what's in the bag. So right here they just have a little pamphlet, so basically telling you how to care for the hair. Ooh, it's have a nice headband right here. A cap. This is in black. I don't think I'm gonna use that one. I think I'm gonna get a different cap. Ooh, some lashes. I've been getting a lot of lashes. This looks so nice. Yeah, this lashes look so nice. I like the container. My sister, she actually sells lashes. You can go over to starmylou.com. She sells lashes. They come in these little like containers also. That's how she packaged them. And then let me see if anything else come in here. Oh, you do have a little rubber band. Ooh, so you're getting a lot for your money for the $100. And now I'm going to go for this for the hair. So this is the hair. Ooh, this doesn't have any smell, so that's good. I like that. It's full, as you can see for yourself. It is full. Okay. Let me see. Okay, that's good. Alright, so inside it is a 4x4 right here. Let me see how much combs it have. It comes with 4 combs. So it have 4 combs, 2 at the side, 1 in the middle, 1 at the back. It does have 2 adjustable straps at the side. So this is the hair. This is really nice. If you guys want to go check this out, check out the company, you guys go ahead. The hair is 22 inches and it's only $100 for the hair. Right now it is $98, so it is under $100. You guys can go ahead, check that out, and I'm going to just install this here so you guys can see how it looks. But I do love this hair. Here's the front part. It is pre-plucked. Let's see if you guys can see it. Yeah, this is a very beginner friendly. Hi. Hello. I can't see. I can't see. Alright, let me stop. When I'm doing my wigs, what I do first is I just get my makeup, my foundation, and I just add it to the wig cap. So just put it on the wig cap. So this is a 4x4, so I don't have to put it everywhere. So you guys will see that. Add some of my makeup like right here on the lace itself. I don't like bleaching my lace, so it's like too much time. I can't bother with that. It's gonna take the whole day. Like, who does that? Bleach their lace. Okay, so this is how it looks after I add my makeup. Yeah, and then I'm gonna just put it on. Look how it looks with when you put the makeup on. It looks so good, like so natural, you know. Look at that, how that looks so good with the makeup on it. Like, it's like your skin. I don't have to put any glue on this. This looks so nice without nothing on it. Look there. It's like nothing on it yet. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and I'm going to put this some glue. Just putting it at the front. I'm gonna put some like right here on the wig cap too. And then once it get like a little tacky, then you can just go ahead and put your lace on it and it will stay. Just going to get my lace right here, and then I'm gonna just put it on it like so, and you see it will just stay there. And you don't have to worry about anything. Once it's dried, once it's fully dried, it's going to just be clear. There's not going to be any marks, nothing is going to leave, so you're gonna be super happy with the end result. Do a little baby here, but you see, you don't even have to do baby. If you don't want to do baby here, you don't have to do baby here. And I just love, oh, they already pre-plucked this, so it looks so natural, you know. I'm gonna just go ahead and just cut this a little bit, just a little, just a tad bit. The fringy. Then I put some of my got-to-be glue. So I'm gonna just put it at the front. And I'm gonna be using that to lay my edges. So and you go bam, shakalaka laka laka lamb. Just do like that. There, there. And you can just do straight back. You can do whatever parts you want. I think I don't know what part I wanted. I don't know what part I want. What part I want. Maybe I'll do straight. This.